Sonic Wacky Pack.
And now, KY3 First Alert Weather.
And here we go with those winds again today. They're primarily going to be coming from the southeast, upwards of 15 to 20 miles per hour. But then here are the wind gusts. You'll notice 24 miles per hour here in Springfield. But as we get closer to this evening, you might even see some winds gusting higher than that, all because of a couple fronts that I'm tracking. The first one is a warm front that'll move in tonight, bringing some isolated chances for showers. It's not impacting us today in terms of those temperatures. We're still going to be topping out in the lower and mid 40s. You'll notice we'll have increasing cloud cover throughout the day, but because of that cloud cover that's going to be rolling in this afternoon, it's going to keep the overnight low temperatures from completely bottoming out. So I'm expecting lows to be in the mid 30s, 35 for us here in Springfield, a touch warmer as you go out to the east. But then look at tomorrow. Now we're feeling the impacts of that warm front, and you'll notice temperatures are going to be in the 50s despite the cloud cover that's going to be rolling through the area. Here's a look at the current Doppler radar and satellite picture. You'll notice out to the west we have all those clouds. As some low pressure moves in just to our south from Oklahoma, that's going to increase the cloud cover here into the Ozarks. It's going to be aided by an increase in the moisture that I'm expecting this weekend. So starting tonight, we'll have some moisture moving in. That's what this blue color here is showing you. And so because of that and the impacts of the front that's going to be moving through, a couple sprinkles are possible tonight, not looking at a whole lot of rain. But then look at this color right here, this green color. That is even more moisture moving into the Ozarks overnight Sunday into Monday. Well, this is going to be combined with a cold front that's going to come through, so I'm expecting better lift in the atmosphere, more moisture, and that does bring the potential for some stronger showers and even some thunderstorms. So don't be surprised overnight Sunday into Monday if you hear a couple rumbles of thunder. To time this out for you on the hour-by-hour forecast. You'll notice by 5 o'clock we have now completely clouded over here in the Ozarks. Then we feel the impacts first of that warm front moving through. So we're just looking at a couple sprinkles out there, not going to be all that impactful. I do expect most of us to be dry on Sunday, so there will be opportunities to get outdoors. But then look at Monday. This is at 3 a.m. We've got some heavier rain moving through, all because of that cold front. It will cool our temperatures down a touch, and I expect that rain to last through your Monday morning commute. So you will want to grab the umbrella as you're heading out the door on Monday. I do expect the rain to clear out by the noon hour. Now, as we get some of this cooler air mixed in, might see a transition to sleet, maybe out in our eastern counties, but the potential for this overall is fairly low, and I'm also not expecting much in the way of impacts as it moves through. Mainly just looking at some heavy rain falling primarily to the south and to the east, and you'll notice some spots getting upwards of 2 inches of rain. As that falls, because of the lack of vegetation that we have out there, some of those low water crossings could cause some problems. Could see some minor flooding out on those areas, so you will want to be cautious. Temperatures outside right now, we are starting on the colder sides, 24 degrees. You'll notice the skies are clear. They will cloud up this afternoon, so keep that in mind. Those winds gusting upwards of 25 miles per hour at times, 43 and 44 degrees I have for the high temperatures today. But then look at tonight, dropping down to the mid 30s. Again, just looking at some showers moving in. But the heaviest rain that I am expecting this week, that's going to come in Sunday night through Monday. Again, some places getting upwards of 2 inches. Then we're dry Tuesday, watching Wednesday. That's our next system tracking through, bringing some rain and the potential for a wintry mix. Again, impacts right now look to be low, but after Monday, that's the day that you'll want to watch going forward this week. And then keep an eye on